Welcome to the Kubernetes course. Before we dive into Kubernetes, it is important to understand the concept of Docker, as Docker is the foundation for the containerization. So let's get started with Docker first. In this, we'll understand what the Docker is, Docker benefit, Docker limitation, and in the last we'll discuss why we need Kubernetes. Docker is an open source platform that allows you to automate the deployment, scaling your application, package your application and its dependencies in a containerized environment. For example, imagine you have an application that runs on your computer. The work of the Docker is to package your application along with everything it needs to run, like application libraries, dependencies, configuration file. All those things are going to package in a container. This ensures that your application runs consistently no matter where it deployed. Now we understood what the Docker is, let's talk some of the benefits related to Docker. The first benefit, which we already discussed, that is the consistency. As Docker helps to package the application and its dependencies in a container, this Docker container can run on any environment. The next benefit is the portability. Container application can run on any system that supports Docker, whether it is a developer machine, a data center machine, or a cloud provider machine. The third benefit is the isolation. Each container runs in its own isolated environment, which means one container issue won't affect the other container. Last benefit is efficiency. Containers are lightweight, faster to start, and use few resources compared to the virtual machine. Till this point, we discussed what the Docker is and its advantages. However, Docker does have some limitations, especially when it comes to managing large-scale applications. Like scaling, Docker does not provide built-in feature for the scaling, so scaling container based on the demand is difficult. Complex network and storage. Managing complex networking storage configuration can be a challenging task with Docker. Self-healing, Docker does not automatically handle the container failure or it does not guarantee the high availability. This is where Kubernetes comes in. Kubernetes is an open source platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling the application. It builds on Docker containerization capabilities and also addresses the Docker limitation. In the upcoming lessons, I will talk about the Kubernetes and its advantages. That's it for the Docker introduction. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Kubernetes and start our journey to mastering container orchestration.